My edges used to look like this, but now it looks like this, and I'll be sharing with you what worked for my edges. Today I'm making a powerful egg roll oil using simple ingredients you already know: onions and unripe green plantain. Yes, this combo works and you'll see why in a minute. I've got different types of onions here: red, white, and the light brown ones. Each one has slightly different nutrients, so mixing them gives your hair the best boost. Next, I'm slicing every onion. The smaller you slice them, the better the infusion comes out later. Onion is amazing for your hair growth because it contains sulfur, which strengthens the hair follicles, reduces shedding, and helps thinning hair fill out again. Now moving to the plantain, I'm peeling the outer layer of the unripe plantain. I'm not using the pulp at all, just the peel. Unripe plantain peel is actually packed with potassium, antioxidants, and amino acids. It helps strengthen weak edges, prevent breakage, adds shine, and can even soothe itchy scalp. So don't sleep on this part. After removing the peel, I sliced it into smaller pieces so I can release all the goodness into the oil. I placed my pot on the fire and added oil. You can use any light oil you prefer. I'm using what I have at home. If you have olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, you can use that. Once the oil was warm, I mixed the sliced onions together with the sliced plantain peel and added everything into the pot. And I just let it fry slowly until it turned a golden dark brown. When everything looked ready, I turned off the fire and allowed it to cool. Don't ever strain hot oil, please. After a cool down, I used a mesh strainer to separate the infused oil. Look at that rich color. That is everything from the onion and plantain peel. Next, I poured it into my small bottle. This is the easiest way to store it and use it anytime. This oil is perfect for people dealing with thinning edges or just slow hair growth. Use it consistently, massage it in, and thank me later. This is honestly one of the simplest DIY oils you can make, and the results are worth it. If you try it, come back and let me know how your hair responds.